It's like a piece of art. Like entire thing, how it comes up, and the audio is like mind blowing.
The experience of listening starts with just turning it on.
You have set the benchmark a little more higher, I think, now.
Now anything I listen to, I'll be comparing against this.
This is the best experience of listening to any kind of music on these headphones. I just got a track called California, which I think I've heard 100 times on different headphones, but the clarity and the things which I could notice on this headphone is spectacular.
I think it gives a perspective of what you have been listening to all these years, and you get this new thing that you haven't experienced. So yeah, that makes all the difference. It's all about experience for me, and I've never experienced something like this before.